Come on, come on. You don't get this. I can't get it.
Get what?
Get this. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, oh. Come on, come on. Come on, come on with me. Gonna make fun in my mouth.
Had your last piece of sushi. Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Well, Dad, I ate my sushi roll up.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Ate up all your sushi. Good. Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Real good. You liked it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Thank you for the sushi, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
You were good people.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you think so.
The police can't get you if you were good people.
That's right.
If you were bad people, the police will get you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And then what will they do?
And they will take you to jail if you be mean.
Hmm.
If you be in trouble, you will go to jail. What's on my cup?
Looks like wasabi.
I don't want this on my napkin.
I'll get you another one.
Whoa.
You got it? Need help? You full?
What cereal we got from the store? What cereal we got from the store, Mommy?